Okay, so here is a method to construct a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. So I'm going to start off with a line. And we can just call that line N or whatever we want to call it. And then I'm going to put a point on the line and I'm going to label that point A. Alright, then I want to construct a circle with the center at point A. And it doesn't matter what size circle we construct. We just want to construct a circle with the center at point A. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and label the intersection that it makes with that line as B and C. Alright, next I'm going to construct a circle with the center at point B and a radius of AB. So I'm going to put my compass at point B and I'm going to set the radius to AB. And I'm going to draw my circle. Alright, and it went off the paper a little bit, but that's fine. And then I'm going to go ahead and label those points, the intersections, as D and E. And then I'm going to do the same thing from point C. I'm going to construct a circle with the radius of AC. I'm terrible at moving a compass. That's why I usually move the paper instead. Okay. And then I'm going to label those intersections as F and G. And then I have all of the points I need to construct my regular hexagon. So I'm just going to use my straight edge and I'm going to connect DB and DF and FC and CG all the way around. I'm going to connect all the way around. And that gives me my regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. So those are the 6 sides of my regular hexagon.